Automatic loading machine. Independent servo control automatic separating boards, automatic weighting boards. Sisal brush double-sided dust removal, board pre-treatment. There will be grease, dust, rust, and other impurities on the surface of the steel plate. The use of cleaning agents can effectively remove impurities to ensure that the bonding surface is clean. Blower dusting. Then enter the oven to preheat. Precise coating. Entering the laminating machine. Above the laminating machine contains film corona machine. After corona processing, the PVC film is easier to adhere to the steel board. After the board is output, the film is cut manually to separate the boards. Automatic unloading machine. Finished product effect.